how to turn on internet voice recognition on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left until you see the settings icon. Let me tap it. From list of settings, let's use the left menu, and here you need to scroll down until you see the privacy. From privacy, let's here scroll down again, and as you can see, you've got your voice. So this settings manages the privacy for your microphone commands. Turning it on enables the car's voice assistant to use online services to process what you say, making the system much smarter at understanding conventional commands and accents. In my case, I like it, so I will use it, but if you would like to disable it, you can use this switcher and you can disable the voice. You've got here also information about this. The voice recognition service will collect and use your personal information, including but not limited to voice print information. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.